Hey guys, welcome to another little vlog episode, whatever you want to call it, of Med Mama Diaries. So we are pretty much in the thick of things in our first year of med school. This is our first block, and we it's going. It is a my goodness, the information definitely is fast. It's not hard yet, but it's very fast, and keeping up with the schedule and the things that they're asking you to do is like the part that's like, wow, to me right now that's the fire hose. But anyway, so today we have a pretty, I would say it's like kind of busy. I would consider it busy. I have three events that I have to do today. A lot that has to do with kind of going over the material that we studied on our own with like my peers. And then we have like an ultrasound class today. So I think that'll be exciting to kind of like take you guys with me today so you can see what we got going on. So basically, histology is today, evidence-based medicine, and then like an ultrasound class. So you'll kind of be able to see like actually all the three disciplines work together in our curriculum today. So basically, histo is of course your sciences, your core sciences that you need to know basically for step one. And then you have evidence-based medicine. So what does it look like to take research and apply it to your medical knowledge in order to help your patients, and just to kind of be abreast on what the new things, the new scientific findings. And then ultrasound. So basically all the structures that we learn in gross anatomy lab, we look at them on like radiology slides and ultrasound. So we have radiology residents who come in and teach us how to identify like the femur and and the tibia and like a tibial fracture and things like that. But today is ultrasound. So we'll be able to actually like use ultrasounds with, I think, enforced today on like the lower limb, because that's what we studied in gross lab. So I'm really excited to take you guys with me. um By the way, I'm just a little bit late. I had like a really chaotic morning. I was supposed to wake up at 6, but I snoozed, and I have got to like put my phone on the other side of the room, but I just never do it. So anyway, I snoozed, and I woke up at 7:30, and I was supposed to be here by 9, but I am here 20 minutes early. Baby boy is dropped off, and when I dropped him off at his grandparents, they were literally waiting at the door because they knew I had to go and I couldn't stay and talk a whole long time. But listen, thank God for a village. Okay, so yeah, let's get this day started. All right, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's roll. So it is, as you can hear, a windy day outside, but anything to get outside and just enjoy like the last part of me being on campus. I've been inside for like 3 hours doing a lot of different, like I said, histology and evidence-based medicine. So that went from 9 to 12. So now we have a paper due. Basically, it's a paper about first patient project, where we're supposed to come up with a question, like a clinical question that we want, a PICO question if you're unfamiliar, and kind of like ask ChatGPT and let it spit out some research papers on it, and just kind of like read them and just dissect them and assess the quality of them and what AI puts out. So that's the project. 2 pages long. I'm almost done. It's due at 5 p.m. and I'm just trying to proofread it and get it done. So that's what I'm doing for this little hour break between my 2 classes. I got about 40 minutes left. So yeah, so far the day is going. independent studying done. One thing thus far about M1 is like, even though I might be here all day, I'm probably not studying. I'm doing all of the miscellaneous things that I have to do in my classes on the ground, and then studying wraps around that time. So you find time outside of your time on campus. So like little pockets of time like this, it's like used for studying. But yet I am typing the paper. So you know, you definitely have to be somebody who's kind of organizing their time. And even like this far in the game, I'm still trying to organize my time. And the only thing that's really keeping me through is knowing that I definitely will get to it. And then, you know, just staying up and making sure that I get to it. So yeah, so far the day is going good. 2 classes down, 1 to go. And just like that, on to my next class. Did I finish my paper? Absolutely not. So I'll probably stay behind just a little bit after this class just to finish it, so I'm not taking it home. It's gonna be done before I leave here, so yeah. But yeah, ultrasound, maybe I can show you guys a little bit of the ultrasound practice that we do with the M4s. All right?
You're the one wearing shorts. Here, now go up here, just, there you go. Stop, and apply a little bit less pressure. Good, now pause right here. What was the
I can finally go home. The supply for today. Alright guys, well, I came home, you know, took a nap, got the baby situated, ate dinner with my husband, and it is 9:30. The house is quiet, and we are in motion, okay? So, catching up on my genetics lectures, and preparing for exams, really. We're at that point where we're wrapping up new material and catching up on lectures. So that's going to conclude this vlog today, and I will see you all in the next one.